everyone, my name is Aghna Charimah. My student ID is 2025-32029. Today, I will explain the result of my statistic practicum based on group data. First, I started by collecting and organizing the raw data into a table. From this data, I determined several important statistical values. To find the highest values, I used the max function, and to find the lowest value, I used the min function. After that, I calculated the total number of data using the formula for n, which represents the number of observations. Next, I calculated the range. The range is obtained by subtracting the minimum value from the maximum value. Using this formula, this helps us understand why the data is spread. After that, I determined the number of classes, denoted as K. I use a standard statistical formula for this step, which helps decide how many classes in the file should be created. After that, I calculated the class width, or C, using this formula. This value determines the size of each class interval. Once all these values were obtained, I constructed the group frequency distribution table. In this table, I divide the data into several class intervals. For each class, I calculated the frequency, which show how many data points fall into each class. The relative frequency, using this formula, to show the proportion of data in each class. The cumulative frequency, which adds up frequencies from the first class to the current class. The reverse cumulative frequency, which accumulated data from the last class backward. This calculation helps us better understand the distribution and pattern of the data. In conclusion, this practicum demonstrates how raw data can be processed into meaningful information using statistical formulas such as max, min, range, number of data, number of class, and class width. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.